Hello guys, welcome back to another video on the channel. Today I want to introduce you to the beautiful and spectacular Honda CB350 RS, which is currently one of the best designed motorcycles that the brand offers with a classic focus in this segment. We hope that it will arrive in 2024 in the European region and in more countries in the Asian region, competing directly against models such as the Dominar 400, the Royal Enfield Hunter 350, and the new Bajaj Triumph 400. In this video, I will tell you its official sale price, its possible sale price for the global market, its most important mechanical features, its technological section, its direct competition, and all the curious and important data about this new motorcycle on the market. So, if you are interested in this information, I invite you to stay until the end. The Honda CB350 RS is a retro-style and scrambler motorcycle of Indian origin, officially presented to the market in February 2021. It is also known in the Asian region with the references Honda GB350 and Honda HNS CB350, being the RS version the most modern and premium model of this family. It is also a motorcycle that arrives to accompany other classic models that Honda currently markets, the Honda CL300 and the beautiful CB300R. Historically, the original Honda CB350 model was a classic motorcycle that was manufactured in Japan between 1968 and 1973. It was characterized at that time by having a 4-stroke 2-cylinder inline 325cc engine and offered 36 horsepower, a maximum torque of 25 Newton-meters, and a 5-speed transmission. In terms of mechanics, this new motorcycle stands out for having a 348.3cc single-cylinder SOHC 4-stroke engine with a single overhead camshaft and 2 valves per cylinder. Its maximum power is 20 horsepower at 5,500 revolutions per minute, and its maximum torque is 30 Newton-meters at 3,000 revolutions per minute. This engine is air-cooled, obviously has an electronic fuel injection system, has a 5-speed transmission, complies with the Euro 5 standard. Its compression ratio is 9.5 to 1. The cylinder bore and stroke is 70 mm by 90.5 mm. Its total weight in running order is 179 kilograms. Its fuel tank capacity is 15 liters. Its average fuel consumption is 33 kilometers per liter or 128 kilometers per gallon. And finally, its maximum speed can reach 138 kilometers per hour. In terms of design, this Honda stands out for its well-defined retro and classic lines throughout the exterior of the motorcycle, accompanied by a robust style and some modern components that give it a special touch. At the front, the classic circular headlamp stands out, as does the full LED lighting in the main headlamp and turn signals, the low and wide single-piece handlebar, the circular instrument panel with analog speedometer and digital indicators, the classic circular mirrors, and the metal mudguard. In the middle, the voluminous and elongated fuel tank stands out, as does the double cradle steel chassis, the single-piece semi-straight Scrambler-style saddle, the plastic side covers, and the foot pegs for the rider and passenger. At the rear, we have the small LED stoplight, the license plate holder and elongated mudguard, the minimalist spoilers, and the side exhaust system. For the suspension, we have conventional telescopic forks, and at the rear we have a double-arm steel swing arm with a double shock absorber. In terms of brakes, we have a single 310 mm disc at the front, with a Nissin dual-piston caliper, and a 240 mm disc at the rear with a single-piston caliper. It also comes standard with a dual-channel ABS anti-lock braking system on both wheels. The wheels are 19-inch aluminum alloy rims at the front, with 190 sport tires, and 17-inch alloy rims at the rear, with 150/70ths tires. The minimum ground clearance is 168 mm, and the seat height is 800 mm. In addition, some components, such as the seat, exhaust system, and turn signal design, change in the classic versions. Talking about the sale price of this motorcycle in the world market, we can say that this model has an official retail price in its country of origin of 215,000 Indian rupees, and in Japan its sale price exceeds 605,000 Japanese yen, being on average 10% cheaper than the Honda CB 300R and 20% more expensive than the new Honda CB 300F. In this order of ideas, we can say that this model can reach other countries for a price to the public higher than 140,000 Thai baht. In Indonesia, it could exceed 90 million rupees. In China, its possible price would be around 30,000 Chinese yuan. In the Philippines, its possible price could exceed 200,000 Philippine pesos. In Malaysia, its price would be above 22,000 Malaysian ringgits. In America, its price could exceed $5,000, and for Europe, its price would be around 5,000 euros. As always, guys, it is an estimate of the price as of today, and without registration or insurance costs. In terms of competition, this model has things quite complicated since in recent years, this category has become popular and has seen a boom in new releases from different brands. Here, this new Honda has to compete head-on against the Benelli Imperiale 400, the new Royal Enfield Hunter 350, the Bajaj Dominar 400, the new Triumph Speed 400, the Honda CB 300R, the Husqvarna Svartpilen 401, the Royal Enfield Classic 350, the powerful Zontes GK 350, the Vogue 500 AC, the Harley-Davidson X 350 or the new X 440 model, the Honda CL 300, the Tianjiang SRV 550, and the Benelli Leoncino 250 or its 500 version. Well guys, as always, I hope you liked the video and all the information. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and activate the notification bell. And if you want to support me, remember to leave a thumbs up, leave your comment, and share the video on social networks. See you next time.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's the chemistry. It's time